Welcome to Hammock State Park. Here's a quick tour of the campground area. Campers of all makes and sizes. We have a canned ham over there, utility trailers, pop-ups, conversion vans, minivans, Class A's, B's, C's, D's, E's and F's, tents, and whatnot. Electric fences around the dumpsters is a bear deterrent. Black bears are apparently a problem in Florida. Restroom and shower facilities. Apparently dog washing in the sinks and showers is an issue here. Never would have thought of that as far as washing a dog in the sink in the shower, but apparently people have been doing it, hence the sign. There's a few campsites, a few rigs. Another view of the canned ham. Okay, more campsites. Here, playground, recreation area, a couple of shuffleboard courts. I haven't actually seen shuffleboard being played since about the late 60s. I don't want to give away my age here or anything. I do still see quite a bit of them in this area though. Alright, here's a view of my campsite. Well, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you later.